Hey, I am Agent, your personal mentor. Today we are going to study the basics of networking. I know you are excited. Let's go!
1. What is networking? Networking means connecting computers/devices to share data. Example, your phone plus Wi-Fi router plus internet equals network. 2. Types of networks. LAN, local area network. Small area, home, office. Fast and secure. WAN, wide area network. Large area, internet. Connects multiple LANs. MAN, metropolitan area network. Covers a city. 3. Important networking devices. Router, connects networks, Wi-Fi router at home. Switch, connects devices inside a network. Hub, old version of switch, less secure. Modem, connects to ISP, internet provider. Firewall, protects from attacks. 4. IP address, very important. Every device has a unique ID called an IP address. Example, 192.168.1.1, IPv4. Types, private IP, inside your network. Public IP, on the internet. 5. OSI model, core concept. Think of it as 7 layers of communication. 7 layers. 1. Physical, cables. 2. Data link, MAC address. 3. Network, IP address. 4. Transport arrow, TCP/UDP. 5. Session arrow, connection control. 6. Presentation arrow, encryption. 7. Application arrow, user apps, browser. Easy trick. Please do not throw sausage pizza away. 6. TCP versus UDP. TCP, reliable. Slow but accurate. Example, websites. UDP, fast. Fast but no guarantee. Example, streaming, gaming. 7. DNS, domain name system. Converts. Google.com to IP address, like a phone book of the internet.
8. Ports, important for hacking. Ports are doors for network communication. Examples, 80 to HTTP, 443 to HTTPS, 21 to FTP, 22 to SSH. 9. Protocols, rules of communication. HTTP/HTTPS, web browsing. FTP, file transfer. SSH, secure login. SMTP, email sending. 10. Mass address, physical address of a device. Example, 00:1, A:2, B:3, C:4, D:5, E, cannot be easily changed, but spoofing is possible. 12. Basic security concepts. Firewall blocks unwanted traffic. VPN hides your IP. Encryption secures data. Packet sniffing capture traffic. Wireshark. 13. Real-life example, how internet works. 1. You type google.com. 2. DNS converts it to IP. 3. Request goes via router. 4. Server responds. 5. Page loads. 14. What you should learn next, important for ethical hacking. Since you're learning hacking, focus on 1. IP and subnetting. 2. TCP/IP, deep understanding. 3. Ports and services. 4. Packet analysis, Wireshark. 5. Scanning tools, Nmap, Netcat. Simple summary, network equals connected devices. IP equals identity. Port equals door. Protocol equals rule. Router equals traffic manager. Hope you got it. Please subscribe channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.